2012, the CPA board examinations, our students obtained a rating of 87.5% for the first takers with only one failure, with an overall rating of 83.33%. This is above the national passing percentage of 37.54%. Likewise, the College of Criminology in March 2012, PRC licensure examinations, our students obtained a rating of 96.77% for the first takers with only one failure, which is above the national passing percentage of 32.56. Let's give a big hand to our College of Criminology. We have also the College of Education. In March 2012, the licensure examination for teachers, our students obtained the following ratings. BEd got 80% for the first takers with only one failure, which is above the national passing percentage of 42.46%. BSEd, or Bachelor of Secondary Education, got 57.87% passing rate, which is above the national passing percentage of 24.50%. All of this prove that the University of Manila always seeks excellence by giving quality and affordable education to the poor, thus making their lives better, brighter, lighter, and more livable. Likewise, the Board of Trustees of the University of Manila would like to commend President Dr. Emily Dadson De Leon for rigidly guiding her faculty and students in its quest for academic excellence. And the College of Law, congratulations to the new Humanian lawyers for obtaining 20% passing rate in the 2012 Philippine Bar examinations, higher than the national passing rate of 17.76%. Congratulations. The Dean of the College of Education, Dr. Lourdes Sabile, will now present the candidates for graduation.
Madam President, as Dean of the College of Education, I have the honor to present to you these students who have successfully completed the minimum requirements for a degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education and for a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education. I am also presenting to you the names of these candidates for appropriate charges and future reference.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Commission on Higher Education of the Republic of the Philippines and by the Board of Trustees of the University of Manila, and upon recommendation of the Faculty of the College of Education, I hereby declare you graduates of the courses for which you have been recommended, with all the rights and privileges thereunto appertaining.
For degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education. Alano Riza Y.
Bakit dito lagi?
Maricon,
Dito sa likod.
Bayena Maricon A. Bermejo Rachel B.
Kaya pa nagsabi.
De la Cruz Zara Jane O. Dolamos Julie Ann B. Eugenio Maricel E. Fernandez Aiza B. Figueroa Ann Rodora S. Francisco Glaiza G. Garjola Arlene A. Gonzales Elden G. Lovino Alona C. Manladi Rhea N.
Dito ka pala kita doon.
Manuel Nemalin G. Medevilla Maria Elena B. Mendoza Annalisa H. Mercado Johan O. Merle Jenny B. Moreno Maricar A. Peralta Marlon R. Sabater Jessica N. Soriano Catherine A. Pedroso Michelle P. Terados Maria Dolores S. Trinidad Jeneline B. Valdez Donace S. Villarazo Annalyn T. And Villorente Jonah D.
Hindi makipatuloy.
Matawa na kami.
Hindi, kasi.
Candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education.
Ay, ito to. Elementary. Ito nila.
Avalos Glycerin S. Aguado Bea B. Aguilar Grace Lynn N. Aguilar Rachel Ann N. Alenio Julian S. Aligana Clarice Marjorie T.
Buti sa'yo dito. Akin na dito.
Alindao Virginie C. Ampater